SNSVR. No, tornado warning. Okay, that's the Alabama. That's the Alabama one. It's the Alabama one I was talking about.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Chilton County, central Coosa County, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Vermina, near Clinton, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Mobile homes.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clanton, Bridgewater, Rockford, Kellyton, Hanover, Lisle, Mitchell Lake, Dollar.
Yo, I think that's a tornado report near Atlanta.
Bentleyville, Highway 9 and Highway 22, Mariah, Hatchet,
Yo.
Ferry Park, Cruzville, Verbena, Lomax.
What is this?
Take cover now. Move to a basement or
That's a tornado report.
floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
There's the tornado.
Mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial.
Yo, there's a purple tornado icon. It's not a warning, but there's a purple tornado report in Atlanta.
Has been issued up to 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
It was the most intense, right?
Chilton and Coosa.
What?
Is purple the most intense?
Well, that's just the warning box. And, like,